I think I'm gonna just get right into it and not wait. But I have about 10 minutes to play around with this new snapshot, and I want to make a, a little bit of investigation with the slash marker that they announced. I think that might be useful for me. I've been using armor stance or area effect clouds, and I think if there's a way to mark a location as an entity, then that would be useful. They also reverted a whole bunch of the caves changes because they're splitting up this update into two pieces because they are having trouble meeting the deadlines, and that makes sense. I understand what that's like. Looks like something got sliced out of there. Okay. Is it slash marker? No. Summon marker. Execute. Hey. Execute as entity type equals marker. Run particle. Sure. Ash. Huh. Well, yeah. This is super useful. This is exactly what I was thinking it was going to be. Oh man, it's an entity, and I can ping it, and I can probably tag it, but it doesn't have a hitbox, and it won't show up at all to the client. So, oh man, that means I might have to go back to the old locations and get some changes done. Oh, hey, Toasty. Oh, thanks for subscribing. So yeah, this is just a super small test. Let's get some command blocks. Whoop. Give me command. So let's put this inside of a repeating command block. Oh. Hello, Halimatin. I had just pulled up this new. Oh, dang. I wasn't even showing you guys. Whoops. So there is a new entity in this new snapshot, and it is called Marker. Let's actually make one here. Summon Marker. So if I turn on hitboxes, oh wait, shown, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't show up at all. It literally has no render, but I can tag it. And wait a minute. Why didn't that work? I should have done it at both of them. Oh yeah, okay, it did. So this is an entity right here, but it doesn't have a hitbox because it's meant for map makers. Let me read the description. Nope, not that one. So I'm going to pull up the change log. Ice Lime. That's who I got the notification from. So in other news, they are splitting up the Caves and Cliffs update into multiple pieces so they can actually finish and release an update, and their roadmap has changed a little. but they changed some textures, they changed some ordering in the creative menu, and they changed the /debug function. But I'm interested in the markers. It says markers are a new type of entity meant for custom use cases like map making and data packs. They only exist on the server side and are never sent to the clients. They do not do any updates on their own, but they have a data component field that can contain any data. So previously, I have been using, let me summon area effect cloud right there, and I've been giving it a duration of 256 million, and that's how long it will last. And then in my map making, I'm building a Adventure CTM map. I have placed a tag on them, and so again, all entities can have a tag placed onto them, and so test tag. So this is an area effect cloud. It has a size of 0 because I didn't specify one, and so that was the default. If I get a lingering potion, you can see what it's supposed to do. This is the intended use. This is an area effect cloud. It has a particle that it generates, and it's slowly shrinking over time, if you notice. And when you enter it, it shrinks by a significant amount, and then it gives you the whatever potion effect. And so you can make these, you can like attach them to entities for map making, like mobs, and then when they die, it drops and then has this explosion effect. But I have been using them as literally as markers. So I can just mark a location and then I can tag them and run this execute command as the entity. Let's get this. Type is area effect cloud tag equals test tag. See? That is literally how I've been using these markers. And now they have made an entity for me that I can use. That is so cool. Anything else that's new? They did a bunch of bug fixes. They added some chat component separators. If you do like a, say, yeah. So if I say at E, it says all of the entities and they're separated by commas. So that is one of the changes they made. You can change what separator it uses. They use a vertical bar as an example. And then, yeah, a whole bunch of changes to the textures are changed a little bit. Raw. So I think Japa changed the raw textures. Oh yeah, and they made compressed versions of the raw ones. So when you are in the underground with the previous snapshot, if I look up the deep slate, so all of these deep slate ores, they have, and they have a new drop table. So where's the number of ones? Gold ore, copper ore, iron ore. Wait, that's redstone. Oops. Where is the... Wait, is there no copper deep slate? There should be. There it is. Okay, so they're working on negative Y values because they're going to add the deep dark because they're working on caves. Hi, Ferris Gamer. So they added these new ores to fit in with the deep slate. Just normal deep slate. So yeah, it's directional. There we go. So they added these to fit in so it wasn't just the stone. But that means when you mined them, they dropped 2 different items and they didn't stack at all. So they added these raw variants where now you can use fortune on these ores and you get the raw versions. Let's get an item frame. Oh yeah, they have glowing iron frames. Let's use that. Hitboxes. Okay, so now both of these drop raw gold. Both of these drop raw copper. Both of these drop raw iron. And then you smelt that just like you used the smelted the blocks before, and you can get the ingots. But now they have a compressed version, so when you're using fortune down in the caves and you're getting a whole lot of these raw iron and raw gold and raw copper, then you can compress them and you can store them in your inventory a little bit better. So that's also a new thing, and those are new textures that I have not seen before. That is cool. Yeah, if you smelt raw iron, you get cooked iron. That's a block furnace. And let's get me some coal. Oh. So yeah, smelting raw iron. Yeah, it gets cooked iron. I saw a Reddit post where somebody lined up in their inventory. It was raw cod, cooked cod, raw chicken, cooked chicken, raw gold, cooked gold. And so they renamed it. So yeah, you get the normal iron ingots. You can also smelt the iron ore block, but now this is mineable using fortune. Let's get a pickaxe and set to survival. So again, this is the drop table, but if I slash enchant this with fortune 3. So yeah, this has fortune 3. Now, I just got 1 from those 3 that I got before, but now I'm getting a whole bunch more. I got 7 from that. Oh yeah, welcome from Egypt. Welcome Gabriel SF Games from Brazil. There's no sign of the warden yet. They're splitting up the update into multiple pieces and looking for a little bit of work-life balance, because their development times are a little bit impacted by the current world situation. Yeah, so it made 2 iron ingots. So yeah, with the new ores, mine it with fortune or with silk touch, and then mine it with fortune later. Money is made from leaves. I thought United States money is actually made mostly from cotton, so it's technically cloth. You can. That's why it doesn't quite break apart when it gets washed. So yeah, sorry I don't have more news. I actually have to get ready for work. I have to have some breakfast. So I'm going to leave it here. Yeah, the new changes, especially the slash summon marker. Those were the interesting things that caught my eye, so I wanted to start a stream and explore it for like 10 minutes. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Come back later if you're interested in this kind of quick things. I definitely do a lot of map making stuff, so I am into the commands, I am into the programming. Oh yeah, I just made, if you've never seen the debug stick, oh dang it, resource packs, oh it's not, yeah, debug wand. I just made this resource pack because I wanted to retexture the wand because I was using it in development this morning. Yeah, now it looks like a magic wand. Okay, yeah. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. And I'll see you next time. If you want to join my Twitch, I do a lot of streaming there too. Yeah, in fact, if anybody is on Twitch, I will set up a raid, because it's quite possible others are doing some. Yeah, Phoenix SC Live is his Twitch channel, but Phoenix SC is another good guy if you want to check him out on YouTube. He is doing streaming right now on Twitch, but he does a whole lot of the fancy magic that you can do in Minecraft Vanilla, especially some of the new stuff and some of the cursed stuff. So check him out there, and I will send everybody on a Twitch raid if you wanted to be on my Twitch channel. Same name. But yeah, everybody, thanks for stopping by. And can we do our credits like this? There we go. Sorry, adventurous. Holy cow, 23 people? Wow, I did not expect so many people to show up. I normally have like one person that shows up to my streams. New Snapshot has a couple stuff like compressed ores, raw ores, and a new marker entity that has a lot of uses in map making, which is what I normally do. So yeah, Adventurous A. I'm going to send everybody on a Twitch raid. If you want more information on this, Phoenix SC is doing some exploration. So I'm going to send everybody over there. Okay, thanks for stopping by. Holy cow, there's a lot of people. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Check out Phoenix.
Levels. We'll add some saturation to it. You guys can't see this. You can still see the game right now. I realized my mistake. Hold on. That goes there. One moment. Cool. That goes there. Beams. Okay, now I can show you what I've just done. Aerial. Black. 180. Center. Shift down. Actually, make this a little bigger. That's too big. I think this is fine. This is good. Cool.
I think I'm still. Perfect. So I use Restream normally, and so my Twitch I was sent on a raid, but it's probably going to YouTube still. Check out Phoenix SC. He's doing a lot of exploration on this stuff, and he just said the copper compressed raw ore looks like beans. So yeah, there we go. But anyway, hello Pop Tarts, hello Rothan. I'm stopping the stream. Go check out Phoenix SC. Phoenix SC. That's the guy that you want for some of the new exploration and news and memes and cursed.
Is it not centered?
Hello Grifflepuff too.
One sec.
But yeah, I'll see you next time. Check out Phoenix.